yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to another tutorial with the economist Dr. Tarai. So as of today, we are going to be talking about structural unemployment. So the main objective is the protectionist policy in order to solve one form of structural unemployment called international unemployment. Now, when you look at international unemployment, it's not something that they really talk about, and that it is of equal significance and of equal importance when it comes to writing your exams. So when you look at structural unemployment, how does it exist? Economists, they actually argue that excessive importation is as good as your exporting employment. So that means if I actually if I excessively import products from South Africa and I import them to here, what have I done? I've actually taken my demand and I've placed it in South Africa. And the South Africans are actually going to employ more people to produce more products for us, the Zimbabweans. So as a result, we are going to have less jobs here in Zimbabwe and we have more jobs in South Africa. So this is happening at our expense. So how then do we solve this problem? We could actually invoke the protectionist policy, where you look at one of the instruments called the exchange rate controls. So under exchange rate controls, what is it that you're supposed to do? What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to devalue the local currency. So if you devalue the local currency, what is going to happen? Import prices are actually going to increase and export prices will actually fall. So that we call it a deterioration in the terms of trade. So once there's a deterioration in the terms of trade, given that the Marshall-Lerner condition has actually been satisfied, that increase in import prices will actually act as a disincentive for Zimbabwean economic agents to import more products from South Africa. And guess what? That demand is actually going to be retained here in the local economy. So if demand is retained in the local economy, remember we say that the demand for labor is said to be a derived demand. So if we say that demand for labor is a derived demand, guess what will happen? You're going to see that in the local economy, we are going to demand more labor because products are no longer being imported, but they are being produced here in Zimbabwe. So we'll have employment here rather than international unemployment. I'll see you again next time in another tutorial.